Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Open the hood, reach down, pull the release. Located far down here by your left foot where it would rest. Pull it open, release the secondary latch, just push up on it, lift it up, put this down for a second. The hood has two positions, normal position, and then if you open it further, there is a second service position here. I'll put it there for now. Remove the 8 push clips from the upper grille cover. Just start on one side, pry it up with a small plastic screwdriver, pry it up with a small flat bladed screwdriver. Pry up in the middle, it unlocks the clip. You can pry up on the outside to unlock it. You may need to get a trim clip tool that can help to unlock it. Pull it right out. Just repeat that for all of them. The last one here. Pull this cover off. It slides behind the grill, just lift it up. Slide it out from the chrome grill and from underneath the fenders. Slide it off of the safety lock and put it aside. We're gonna lift the vehicle up to get to the clips under the bumper. You could do this with the vehicle on the ground, but in order to show you, we're gonna put it up in the lift so it's easier to see. On both sides of the car, there's a Phillips head screw up in this recessed opening. We're gonna remove that. I'll repeat that for the other side. There are 10 push clips on the front edge of the bumper. These remove just like the ones up top. Use a small flat bladed screwdriver. Push out the middle. And pry them out of the bumper. They get filled up with dirt. Sometimes they're hard to unlock. Just pry them open with a small flat bladed screwdriver, then get the trim clip tool in there. Kind of work them open. Work along the edge, find all the clips, pull them out. They might break. You might have to replace them. They get brittle with age. Front bumper is sitting on 2 pins on either side. Just kind of pop it up like that. And over here, that's the front. Now it'll come to one side and pull it straight out. It's gonna sound like it's breaking, but you're just pulling it off of the clips. Just work it down around the headlight. Make sure it's off of that pin, doesn't pop back on. Do the same for the other side. You give it a bit of a swift tug. And now I'm going to get off those pins, support it, and pull it up straight off of the vehicle. Get to the hood latch, you remove this plastic cover. It slides over these 2 white clips. This one will slide up this way and up and off of it, and then rotate it. It's just clipped to the bottom of the radiator support. Just kind of work it off and then slide it this way. So that clips around the bottom of the radiator support. It's 3 10mm bolts. Hold the hood latch on. Use a 10mm socket, extension, and ratchet to remove them. To remove the latch from the hood cable, just pull it straight out. This little ball on the cable will unhook through there. And we have our hood latch. Reconnect the hood cable through the opening and over, and then push it back into place. can see the outlines of where the hood latch was. These holes are slotted and can be adjusted. You can adjust it side to side, up and down, however you need to adjust the hood latch. I will line it up where it was originally and reinstall the bolts. And I have to move the lever here. Line up this one here. It's hard to see, but there's actually 3 marks. Well, they've got some dirt in them, so they're easier to see. And there's a small line on the hood latch. And this could help you align it. So you've got one on the top, one in the middle, one on the bottom. This was originally lined up with the middle ones. I'm also going by the outline around the edge here. So that's why I'm going to line it up that way. Get them both tight. Move this lever out of the way and tighten this one. Capture this plastic around this here and tilt it up and try to capture that clip on the bottom, and then push that over some more, go up and then down. The plastic covers in place. Reinstall the bumper, go straight on with it. It does have some pins right here that it's going to sit on both sides. Helps keep it from falling off. Get the bumper lined up in the brackets. Push it right in, snap it in place. Do the same for both sides. Okay. I'm going to push the fender liner up in behind the bumper, just like that. Install this Phillips head screw so the bumper doesn't fall off while I put the push clips back in. If they get tight, I'll just stop. Do the same for this side. I'm going to go along the bumper now and reinstall all the push clips I removed. Push them back into place. If you have broken ones, you'll replace them. Put the last one in. Now reinstall this upper cover. Over the little rubber bumpers. Then this part goes behind the grille. Just kind of have to bend it, flex it. Slides in like that. Do the same for both sides. Place all the push clips. Put the push clips in. Hood down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.